Good night. Sorry for presentation in Chinese word. My name is Daniel Madrigal. I am a student journey in electronics. I am 39 years old. I live in Bogota. I had 2 children, a boy and a girl. 2 months ago, I traveled to Bucaramanga. I went to the pool. I visited a park and I ate a lot of food. I visit the Chicamochas Park. Back a family plan for me and my family. The weather was a little hot, but it was so good. The sun didn't rain so much, but it was a day that I couldn't go out. And if the weather is good, you can go to the Chicamochas Park. If it is cold, you can eat some food. And if it is hot, you can do the pool. Thank you very much.